We have my end of the month meal. This is what I was able to prep and what I was able to get from the grocery store. Everything seemed to be well stocked, except getting there was a bit of a pain because not all the sidewalks are yet properly shoveled for people that don't have a car. So we have a banana. That's the fruit. We have some chips, barbecue chips. That's our snack. And we have chicken dinner with some pasta, chicken, pasta, and a side salad. Some small tomatoes in there, and a ready-made salad with the dressing it came with. Just added the small tomatoes into it, and some cucumber. I'm gonna try to eat more salad with my meals. I haven't been doing that, so I need to eat something a little bit more fresh. Chicken and pasta. That's KFC. A little bit bland, so I put some salad dressing on it. I'll just boil the chicken or cook it in a slow cooker, and that's it. Next time I'll defrost it and maybe marinate the chicken so it has more flavor. Salad, ready-made salad with some dressing came with and a couple of nuts and stuff. Chopped up a couple of tomatoes and some cucumber. And we have our banana. It's alright. It's alright, but I could use some flavor. The dressing kind of helps, but next time I'll add some barbecue sauce into it. So I made shredded chicken this time, so sometimes I do pulled pork. So mac and cheese. From the box. You get pasta in sometimes. You can let me know what's your favorite way of having mac and cheese. Plain, or do you mix something into it? Salad does help. Usually I just buy coleslaw. chopped up the cucumber a bit smaller. See, I'll probably put a little bit more into the potatoes, just some more vegetables. I'm trying to quick throw together what I could get from the store after the storm and what I had and what I was able to make. First thing I did was cook the chicken, and then decide whether I want pasta or I want rice. I went with pasta this time. And we have our banana. We have our fresh banana, and we have our chips, barbecue chips. We bought fresh barbecue chips as well. End of the month, I was really low on chips, so I wasn't sure if I was going to restock because of the storm. I had to wait 2 days for it to stop being cold out so I could go get my groceries. I'm eating from a ready-made tray meal, so a simple tray meal. Buy these at the dollar store. Thanks for watching. And the banana, because I need to get some fruit as well. Another simple meal, chicken and mac and cheese. Thanks for watching. You can let me know what you put into your mac and cheese if you want to below. Thanks for watching. First meal after the storm, what I was able to come up with.